Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see tick the correct answer. It means multiple choice questions. So here, let me begin our exercise. We will see the first question here. In first question, there is written which of the following is a collective noun. So here, four option is here and we have to find out which one is the collective noun. Okay. First of all, we will see the first option. There is written island. So what is an island? We will see about island, a tract of land completely surrounded by water and not large enough to be called a continent. Okay, it is a simply surrounded by water and we can't say it is a continent. Okay, and we will look at the second option, that is a bridges. A bridge, it comes in the countable or things that provide a connection or contract between two different things. Here we will look out the D point, that is woman. Here that women come in feminine gender. Now we will look at the C point, that is a flock. Flock means a group of sheep, or we can use or words also, and sometimes we use for a people also, a large number of people. We will see a example here. Flocks of tourists visit Nainital every summer. Okay, so flock will come in a collective noun, so our answer also here C. Okay, here we will see the second question. In this question, which of the following nouns is always used in the singular number? Here, four option is written. So they are asking about that which noun is used as a singular number. Okay, here is written child, ox, food, furniture. These all words are written in a singular form. So here child will come as a plural, children, and the ox will come as a oxen, and here food will come as a feet, and here we will know more about the furniture, that is a D point. Furniture is always a singular entity, through it may be comprised of other singular entities. So here our answer will come furniture. Okay, here we will see the next question. To which gender does the teacher belong? Here that teacher is written, so they are asking the teacher will belong in which gender. Here in first option there is written a masculine gender. So already we have studied masculine gender, that belongs to a male family. And the second B point there is written feminine gender. Feminine gender that tell about the females. And the C point there is written neuter. Neuter gender are neither of the masculine gender or nor the feminine gender. Okay. Nouns of the neuter gender are usually non-living things. And here we will see the second point, that is D. There is written common. Here we will know more about the common. The common gender may be of the masculine or feminine gender. For example, parent, leader, cousin. Okay. In question they are asking about the teacher. So here the teacher may be a masculine or the feminine gender, may be a man or a woman. So it will come in the common gender. So here our answer will come D. I hope all of you understood this multiple choice questions. Okay, bye. Then see you in the next video.